Hi all, my presentation today is about a clamp rack. Now the clamp racks we have here is clamp rack A and clamp rack B. Now both of these clamp racks were used in my decomposition and they were both used because they're not a commercial product, they're a needs-based product and they're a specific needs-based product. This product can be made better. I'm going to talk about the product design factors in my decomposition. Although there's 9, I will highlight 4 and I'll probably touch on all of them. I believe for a good design that all the factors, they're interwoven, and to come up with a very good design you need to use all of them. The first factor I'm going to talk about is the purpose, the function and the context. The purpose is the need, the context is where it's for, and the function is what it does. In this instance, the need is for the clamps to be racked, as you can see. The purpose is served. The context, in my situation, is that it's going to be used in a workshop in a school, so therefore all needs need to be met for legal requirements and standards need to be met. Work health and safety policies need to be met. The primary function is to hold the clamps. And just by looking at it, there's a clear indication that there's no secondary function. There's no glues, there's no screws, there's there's places to hold them, but there's nowhere to, they're not there. Right? I can also see that under the weight, if these racks were pushed, there could be unsafe practices, and they're top heavy. They could be fall over, they could topple over. Which will bring me into my next design factor. The next design factor will be a user-centered design. This is all about the user. The user-centered design for this product is for personal use. Clamp rack A looks like it's been locked up in a workshop, while clamp rack B looks like it's been sponsored by Irwin and purposely built to house Irwin products. In both instances, the clamps don't seem to be locked in, as you can see here and here. And there's a possibility that once these racks are pushed, that the clamps will topple over. Again, this leads to WHS issues. And also the weight of the clamp. A lot of clamps, a lot of weight, this could be an issue. Okay, so considering my context, anything falling out and injuring school students is a hazard. So for my user-centered design, some of my needs will need to be for it to be locked up. That could be for security reason, as it also stops clamps falling out. This now leads into my next design factor, which is innovation and creativity. Both of these products are innovative and creative, no doubt. There was a need, and it was designed to fulfill that need, but it can be done better. They can lock them up. They can make them smaller to fit more, to have a smaller footprint. You could close them up and make them, you can put the clamps vertically instead of horizontally. All these can create a smaller footprint while housing the same amount of clamps. Wasted space here can be fixed up for glues. Open space can be closed up. All this can be, the design can be manipulated to make a better design. You can box stuff in and enclosed. So the material, all these can be done and fixed up to be made better, which leads me to the choice of materials. So my next is materials, characteristics and properties. Materials are chosen for a variety of reasons. For aesthetics, workability, for finishes that are going to be applied to it, economics, how much they cost. Rack A is made of plantation pine on a plywood base, while rack B looks like it's made of ply, but it's not finished. There's no finish put on it. Both of these products are sustainable. Both of these products are workable. Both of these products are cost effective. You wouldn't chop down a 100-year-old tree to make a toothpick. And I don't think you'll be using very expensive timber to make a clamp rack. but you also need something that's going to last. I was once told that sustainability should be the navigator and not the driving force. In this case, the need would be the driving force and sustainability would be a second force. But the sustainability of these products would last a lifetime. So when these products do last a lifetime, the sustainability factor will be there. So to wrap it up, both of these racks serve a purpose, but I can envisage, for me, a better one. Thank you.